Hi everybody, it's Therese. I'm back with another video, and today I'm here to share my flip book for Happy Mail with Tina and Family's flip book swap. And I've been wanting to make these little paper bags, or it's like a tote. This one's a tote. But they call it paper purses. They're so adorable, so fun to make. I did on one of my live feeds, I made this one. It was so easy, so simple to make. I hope other ladies were making them. So I used paper from the Authentique Fabulous collection, and I loved it because it had scooters, it had eyeglasses, and what else? Ephemera pieces, and cherries, and black and white checks. It was so 50s looking, you know, like a retro paper pad. So I'm going to show you. I made a bow. Relearned it from Mars from Michigan. She was teaching it in one of her live feeds. I added a tag to the purse. I'm thinking about making a charm to go with it, so be expecting a video on that, or maybe I might just keep that as a surprise. So here is my flip book. It's a file folder flip book, and I'll have the link down below of a tutorial that I followed. It was a really simple flip book. So let's get started. This is the cover. I just cut this from the 12 by 12 sheet of paper, added it to the color. I Wink-a-Stellaed her dress, her sunglasses, and her belt, and a little bit of the flower there. I added this saying that says, "I never say never and I never say always," from Grace Kelly. And I inked it up with pumice stone. It's a light distress ink that I thought would go well with this collection. Here is a tile that I made a long time ago. I thought the red bling kind of matched the cover. Here's some red gingham ribbon that I made into a bow. Added a ribbon rose and some flat back pearls. So I love how that turned out, and it's pretty chunky. This file folder turned out really chunky and cute. I really like it. So as you flip it open, it has this page, and I didn't want to do too much to it, but it has some stickers and some crochet, flat back pearls, some washi tape. And then on this side, it's just a collage of a lace doily, paper doily, a wood veneer butterfly, a flat back pearl, some trim, and a punched out border on the bottom. And I also Wink-a-Stella the eyeglasses as well. It's like a silvery Wink-a-Stella, which I thought was so cute. Then you flip it open, and here is a pocket. I think I bought these tags. I don't want to say if it was Tuesday morning, not sure. But I altered it with some pattern paper from this paper pad, washi tape, big day, these moments. That was it. I added some tags that I made. Here's some ephemera pieces with a paper clip, arrow paper clip, and then some trim. And you flip it here, and this is a cluster. Well, it's not a cluster. It's a pocket, lace pocket with a sticker. It says "You're Spectacular," and I added some eyeglass die cuts and other die cuts and a tag. This side, I made a little match box that I made along with Jamie and Mars. One of, I think it was Mars's live feeds, and she was teaching us how to do this, but I totally messed it up, but I like it anyway. It turned out really cute. I added some washi tape to the pattern paper. I made a triple looped bow with a flat back pearl, and then I added a paper clip clothes hanger, And then I made some, what do you call these things? Stick pins, because that's what Mars was using hers for. And it's kind of big, but I could put, you know, a piece of paper here, or I might add something there. I'm not sure yet. So, and you flip this open, and this page is just says beautiful, and I added a crocheted flower that somebody had gifted me. Here is a paper doily in the background, a sticker, and then this is a 2-page spread, so as you flip this one over, it says, well, let me see if I can show you. It says Fab Life in a banner. Use some baker's twine and flat back pearls. This is a pocket that I made from paper, and I added some washi tape, added some ephemera with a lip paper clip, and here is some punch outs from the paper pad and some little die cuts down there. And I'm going to add more stuff to her package. This thing, I couldn't put too much in here. But so this side is a hidden pocket. So this is a journaling card that says La Bella Vita. And it has fun, and a set of eyeglasses kind of goes with the paper. And then right here is the tucked in ephemera from the paper pad. All new modern telephones. It's so cute. So cute paper. Okay, and you just tuck that right back in there, and then this page is just a collage of ephemera piece, no, not ephemera piece, but a punch out, washi tape. These are stickers from the paper pad. It says love it, another day in paradise, and on the bottom here it says smile. So real cute. And then there's the pocket that I showed you before. And then you flip it over. Here's a belly band, lace belly band with some pearl trim. Some more ephemera from the paper pad, and a coffee mug or a coffee cup paper clip. Some book corners from the paper pad. And then this page, this last page, is another pocket. It's a file folder that I folded over, and I added tape to make a pocket. And right here is just, oh, I can never get these out. These are just journaling cards from the paper, and I just tucked it in there. I can't get that one out without ripping. Oh, here. Remember, you are fabulous. What's this says? Take note. If the crown fits, wear it. So I'm going to add that in there. And then that is the end of my flip book. And then I'm going to put my information on the back here. I better not forget to do that. And that is my flip book for my partner. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys like this flip book. Again, I'll have all the links down below for you guys if you guys are interested. Yeah. So this is my flip book for my swap partner. I hope she likes it, and I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye.